Counter Invoice 2.0 is a line counting and invoice program created by home-based medical transcriptionist Michele Miller. If you're a legal or medical transcriptionist, author, secretary or language professional, this program can help make your work easier. This user-friendly program counts lines by the number of characters per line, gross lines or any other counting method you prefer. It also counts characters with or without spaces, words, pages and paragraphs. Once Michele Miller's line counter and invoice 2.0 has counted for you, it will then calculate the cost and produce an invoice with your information or company details and your client's name and address. You can choose the starting number of the invoice, include additional content or details in the invoice, edit client details, apply different rates for different clients, choose the appropriate currency, and do so much more. This program will do the work for you, so you'll save time and energy. Here's what it does. Line count and invoice 2.0 automatically creates an invoice with your company details and your client's name and address. It automatically calculates the totals for the invoice. Allows you to apply pay to an invoice, void an invoice, or delete an invoice. Allows you to choose the starting number of the invoice. Allows you to add miscellaneous content to the invoice. Shows the total amount of units lines typed. Lets you apply different rates for different clients. Lets you edit client details. Has currency options such as US dollar, Canadian or Australian dollars, UK pounds. Lets you keep running log of each client's counts which you can delete at any time. Line counter and invoice program 2.0 counts words, characters with spaces, characters without spaces, lines per set number of characters. Gross lines any line with typing on it. Pages. Paragraphs. Include exclude headers and footers. And produces an automatic invoice. You too can be using the line counter and invoice 2.0 program and make life easier for yourself and save yourself lots of time. You can stop counting all those lines and manually making those invoices. Let this program do it for you. Don't forget it's a business deduction.